So today we'll be doing chapter 21, that is sentence kinds based on structure. Okay, so what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which have subject and predicate and also convey a meaning. Yes, so yesterday we have done what? We have done clauses, phrases and clauses. So these chapter is all based on clauses. Okay. So depending upon the kind of clauses or clauses which form a sentence, we will do kinds of sentences that are 4 kinds of sentences: simple, compound, complex and compound complex. Okay. So let's begin with the simple sentence. So what is simple sentence is, it has a one independent clause, only one independent clause. Let's do with example. The earth goes round the sun. So it is all a complete meaning. It's giving you the complete meaning with one independent clause. Okay, the earth goes round the sun, and here we can see is no conjunction is used to join any part of the sentence. Next we will see is compound sentence. Here we will see 2 or more independent clause. So in a sentence we will get to see a 2 or more independent clause which is actually being joined by coordinating conjunction. I like coffee, Mary likes tea. So these both the sentence are what? Independent clause as it is given here. So this is what? Independent clause. I like coffee, Mary likes tea. But what is the difference in the sentence? That is and. Okay, this word and is a coordinating conjunction which is joining this 2 independent clause. So what is compound sentence? It is having a 2 or more independent clause which is being joined by coordinating conjunction. So next we will see is complex sentence. So here we will see is one independent clause and one or more dependent clause. So at least one independent clause should be there and one or more dependent clause. Yes, you already know what are clauses and types of clause. Yes, so see here we missed our plane. This is what? This is one independent clause. Okay, independent clause and because we were late. Because we were late. So we can see is that this is what? Dependent clause here. Okay, and this word because is subordinating conjunction. Okay, being joined by the subordinating conjunction. So we missed our plane because we were late. Okay, now what is complex? It has one dependent clause and one or more dependent clause. Clear? Next we will see is compound or complex sentence. So in compound complex sentence is what? Consists of at least 2 independent clause and one or more dependent clause. Okay, so there are 2 independent clause and one or more dependent clause. So this kind of sentences is known as compound complex sentences. Let's do with example is John didn't come because he was ill, so Mary was not happy. So there are so many sentences in one, so many parts in one sentence. Let's do John didn't come. Okay, he was ill, Mary was not happy. So we can see here is this conjunction is used because to join these 2 sentences we can see 2 independent. John didn't come because he was ill. Again we can see this 2 sentences joined by so conjunctions again. Mary was not happy. Okay, so these 2 is independent. Yes, and this one is dependent. Okay, got it? So what we learned is there are 4 sentences. They are simple, compound, complex and compound complex sentences. Okay.